Hey there, busy moms. Today I've got a quick and delicious veg pulao recipe just for you, perfect for those work from home days when time is precious. So the lunch break starts at 1 pm. Our time starts now. Rinse basmati rice and keep it aside. Chop your choice of vegetables into big pieces. I added big chunks of potato, full gobi, and also I had some cucumber in the fridge that needed my attention. Soya bean that is soaked in the hot water for some time, and also I added broad beans that is same. Then I have marinated this aloo, gobi and same into salt and turmeric for 5 minutes. Mix and keep it aside for 5 minutes. Heat a deep pan or cooker. Put oil into that. We will add the whole garam masala. I have taken bay leaves, cloves, cinnamon and choti ilaichi here. At this point, let's add a whole chili that is optional. Now we will add the marinated vegetables into the oil, fry it for a little bit, and then we will take the soya bean, sponge it as in remove the excess water and also add it in the oil. I'll add whole black pepper, take 4 to 5 and a whole garlic that is cleaned and washed. This whole garlic gives a very nice flavor to the entire dish. After adding all the vegetables, now it's time to add salt and remaining spices. If the vegetables have cooked, now it's time to add my magical ingredient that is Maggie masala. Add the soaked rice and mix everything nicely. It's time to add the water now. Last we will add chilies. So I'm adding 4 chilies. It is up to your taste. Now cover the lid and let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we will prepare the salad to eat with the pulao. After around 7 to 8 minutes, now the pulao is ready. Let's dig in. I'm serving it with a fried red chili and hot Szechuan chutney. As my lunch break is about to get over, hence the husband came to the rescue and started serving the food. Well, I made it on time. Still 6 minutes to go. So that's a success, right? Try and comment if you like this quick and easy recipe and subscribe for more.